Good morning all. Today we are executing workshop seminar. Today's our topic is relation and function. Relation. It is any set of ordered pairs are called relation, and functions are relation which have each input have exactly one and one output. Now, Cartesian product of sets. It is a set of all ordered pair of elements of set. Example: set A have 1, 2, 3, and set B consists A cross AB. Then Cartesian product A cross B is equal to 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. These are Cartesian product of set A and set B. Now, remarks of relation and functions. If two order are pairs, then first and second element of sets will be equal. If NA consists of P and NB consists of Q, then A cross B is equal to PQ. And third, A and B are non-empty set, or A or B is infinite, then A cross will be its Cartesian product. Now, the fourth remark of relation and function. Here A cross A is equal to ABC, which belongs to A. It is an ordered triplet. Range. Domain. It is a set of all input values of an set. But range, it is a set of all output values. Now, conditions of domain and range. Each domain has each range. This is the first condition of relation and functions. And second, two domain can have one range. This is a valid condition of relation and function. But one domain cannot have two range. This is a not valid of relation and function. Thank you.